we're getting a lot of feedback out there that a lot of people are interested in moving from maintenance technician roles to control systems. And can you talk about that transition and what that's like, or what you've observed in at your place of work?
We generally don't bring people in specifically for controls. You'd be brought in as a general maintenance technician, and just organically, people will end up finding that something works better for their personality. So I would say controls isn't for everyone, but for those that it makes sense intuitively or they naturally gravitate towards that, there are opportunities to move into the control space. There's advantages to that. It's generally easier on your body. It's cleaner if that's something that's important to you. But there's also some of our larger equipment. People enjoy turning a wrench a little bit more than they enjoy troubleshooting um, a a control circuit that has an extra resistor turned on that's causing half the equipment not to communicate, and you have to track that down. So for some people that's fun, and for some that's not, and generally they organically sort themselves into what type of task they enjoy doing more than another.